Are you ready to rejuvenate the skin of your neck without any surgery? As we age, our muscles begin weakening, and sun damage as well as extreme weight loss may contribute to wrinkled and sagging skin around the neck area. So what can be done? GLO24K LED neck device drastically diminishes wrinkles, fine lines, sagging skin, and the appearance of a turkey neck. It is a non-invasive and safe spa therapy at the comfort of your own home. GLO24K LED neck device is based on triple-action LED, thermal, and vibration technologies that, when combined, generate superb anti-aging results. This outstanding device will stimulate skin cells, promote collagen and elastin reproduction, and massage your skin to enhance cell metabolism. It will boost your skin firmness and elasticity for short and long-term age-defying results. For best results, apply a small amount of your favorite cream over clean skin. Turn the device on and select your preferred mode. Red light therapy is known for anti-aging and will diminish wrinkles and fine lines. The blue light promotes collagen reproduction and combats skin sagginess. The green light will balance the skin and stimulate cell metabolism. Glide the device in upward, downward, and circular motions over areas of concern. You can change modes at any time. After the recommended application time of 5 to 10 minutes, turn off the device and clean it with a dry cloth. Say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to healthy, smooth, and supple skin today. Treat yourself to a more radiant, younger-looking you with GLO24K.